Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to activate PNC Bank debit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Activating your PNC Bank debit card online is a straightforward process. Start off by launching open your web browser on your computer or your mobile devices. Now type in pnc.com in the URL box and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for PNC Bank, which looks like this. In order to activate your PNC Bank debit card online, you'll first need to log into your online banking account. Click on Sign on the top right hand corner and then enter your user ID and your password for your online banking account. Start off by entering your user ID associated with your internet banking account in the first text box. Now, enter your password on the next field. If you are having trouble remembering your password or your user ID, get help by clicking on Forgot User ID or Password. Follow through the on-screen prompts and then you will be able to reset to a new password in case you don't remember your password or your ID. After entering your credential, click on Login, and then once you are logged into your account, look for the card activation option and follow through the instructions in order to activate your debit card. You can also go ahead and make a phone call to PNC Bank's customer service and follow the automated prompts in order to activate your debit card. Remember that you'll need to enter your debit card number, expiration date, and possibly other identifying information during the activation. That is how you activate your debit card for PNC Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.